Welcome to Aptitude Simple. Today we are going to find the HCF and LCM for more than two numbers using the prime factorization method. So whenever we are given with more than two numbers to find HCF and LCM, it's a better way we go for the prime factorization. Instead of going for the long division method, we can try the prime factorization method, right? So let us see an example. Here, let's say for example, I need to find the HCF and LCM of 4, 10, 12 and 14. So in this scenario, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write each and every number as product of the prime factors. Okay, so every number has to be written as a product of its prime factors. So for example, I take 4. 4 is being written as 2 into 2. 2 is a prime number, so it is actually acting as a prime factor for the number 4. Okay, so 4 is equal to 2 into 2. So I'm simply rewriting it as 2 square. And 10 is being written as 2 into 5. Okay, so 2 and 5 are prime factors of 10. So I'm writing 10 as 2 into 5, which is again 2 power 1 into 5 power 1. So the power usage will be helpful whenever we are trying to identify the LCM or the HCF. Okay, so 12 is been rewritten as 2 into 2 into 3, which is rewritten as 2 square into 3 power 1. And 14 is been rewritten as product of 2 into 7. Okay, so 2 power 1 into 7 power 1. Okay, so now we have written all these numbers in terms of the prime factor. So the next step is we need to identify the highest common factor for all these. So in this particular scenario, what we are going to do is we are going to see which particular prime factor has occurred in all the four numbers. We have 2 that has appeared every time as a factor in all the four numbers. So minimum 2 has occurred at least once in all the four numbers. So we are going to take 2 as the highest common factor, right? And if you see the LCM, that is the least common multiple, we are going to identify each and every prime factor, the occurrence along with its power. So let's say for example 2 has occurred with the highest power of 2, and 3 has appeared once with the highest power of 1. 5 has appeared with the highest power of 1, and 7 has appeared with the highest power of 1. Okay, so 2 has appeared 4 times and its maximum power value is 2. So we are going to identify the unique prime factors with its highest power. Okay, so in this particular instance you can see 2 has appeared 4 times for all the four numbers. Okay, 2 has appeared 4 times, but I'm going to take the power value of 2, okay, with its highest power. So you can see 2 power 1 and 2 square, right? So 2 square will be having the highest power when it is compared with 2 power 1. Okay, so in order to calculate the LCM, I'm going to take 2 square into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1 into 7 power 1. So that gives me a value of 420. Okay, so the HCF of 4, 10, 12 and 14 is going to be 2, and the LCM for 4, 10, 12 and 14 is going to be 420. So let's take another example. So here I need to find the HCF and LCM of 6, 30, 42 and 66. So again I'm going to rewrite each and every number as a product of its prime factor. 6 can be rewritten as 2 into 3, that is 2 power 1 into 3 power 1. 30 can be rewritten as 2 into 3 into 5, that is 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. And 42 can be rewritten as 2 into 3 into 7, that is 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 7 power 1. 66 can be rewritten as 2 into 3 into 11, that is 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 11 power 1, right? So if you take this particular scenario, you can see 2 into 3 appears in all the four numbers as a prime factor, as a product of the prime factors. Okay, so your highest common factor will be 2 into 3. Okay, so the minimum number of occurrence, okay, of these product of the prime factor will act as your highest common factor. Okay, now you take the other part of the LCM. So you have 2 power 1, okay, and you have 3 power 1. So I'm just representing the prime factors, okay, with its power value, right? So 2 is identified with its power value 1, 3 is identified with its power value 1, 5 is identified with its power value 1. So I'm just identifying the unique prime numbers, okay, with its highest power. So 2 power 1, 3 power 1, 5 power 1, 7 power 1 and 11 power 1. So all these are multiplied together to get me a LCM of 2310. So if you have any queries or suggestions, you can post in the comment section. Thank you.